hope everybody is well. Today's video is super exciting because I won a giveaway. I never win giveaways. I'm super excited. And the giveaway I won was from Sussex Sandra, who I will link down below. I'm just trying to get her Instagram up so you can see her on here as well. This is her Instagram. She is so lovely. She does awesome videos. And she's just all round lovely. And it was a beauty box created by her. And yeah, I just won. She contacted me and said I'd won. So it's just arrived and it is so heavy. So I'm just going to get into it. Okay, so we've got a little letter that says, "Dear Lucy, thank you for entering my giveaway. I really enjoy your channel. You're bright and funny and very endearing. It's great seeing your channel grow so quickly as it has. Keep being you. All the best for the future. Love from Sandra." And yeah, this is so heavy. So heavy. And I think it's a Tilly, is it Tilly beauty box? I'm just gonna cut open this tape. Ugh. I've managed to get the tape off. It's okay, I've managed to get the tape off. 10 hours into the video, I'm finally in. Please excuse my face, I've just done a full face of first impressions. Some things weren't amazing, some things were, but some things weren't amazing. So, bear with me. Okay, let's get this open. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's proper full. Wow. Okay, I'm just gonna grab things. So we've got, oh, it's a Tony Moly I'm Real lemon mask sheet, a brightening mask sheet, sheet mask. It's because I'm reading it off here and it says mask sheet. I love sheet masks, so that is going to be super exciting. I might try that tonight. I feel like I need some brightening after this foundation has made me look like I'm dead. What's next? Next up is a Makeup Forever, an eyeliner. Oh, it's red. Oh my god, I think it's red glitter. Are you red glitter? You are red glitter. Thank you. I'm going to say thank you for every single thing. That's not annoying, is it? We have got a Sleek Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. That is in the colour Rioja Red, Rioja, I don't know. I'm rubbish. That's really pretty. We have got a Cougar Perfect Pout Volume Shape Definition. What are you? This is the lip balm. Oh, I think it's a gloss. Oh, that smells like lemonade. That smells lovely. I've not heard of that brand before. I'm going to look into them. Really cool packaging. I like that. We have got a Julep Matte Lip Mousse. Ooh. That is a pretty colour. Look at that one. That's this one just here. And this packaging feels amazing. Julep. I've never heard of them either. Really nice posh packaging. We've got a Mad Beauty Lip Gloss. That's a little tiny, cute little mauvey purple lip gloss. Ooh, it's like bubble gum. Ooh, that smells good as well. We have got a Model Co Conceal and Correct. Oh, it's a green corrector. This is good for redness, and I am very red. Not today, but generally very, very red. So that will be awesome. I like Model Co things. We've got a Cargo Cosmetics Land Down Under eyeshadow palette. It's got the Sydney Opera House on it. Oh, I can't open it. Get open. I need to see what you look like. Get open. Oh my god, this is where I'm going to put my lipstick everywhere. Let's just go in there. Oh, we're in. I've never had anything by Cargo Cosmetics. Get out. Oh, that's pretty packaging. Oh, you can get some brushes with it as well, and I think you get an eyeliner. So we've got a duo ended brush. This is the palette. Super pretty. Oh, that colour there, Manly. That is lovely. And I like the green, Domain. They all look lovely. I'm excited to try those. Suntan, I've got to touch that one. Oh, that's a really pretty shimmer. And what are you? Are you an eyeliner? Yeah, we've got a black eyeliner in there as well. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm excited to try that one. What are you? This is the Sally Hansen Gel 2-step, I don't know what this is. Gel colour system. Apply 2 coats of the Miracle Gel colour to clean dry nails. No base coat. 1 coat of the Miracle Gel top coat. Let natural light do the rest. Ooh. And we've got a Lord and Berry. What are you? Oh, that's an eyebrow pencil. Ooh. Ooh. I'm just going to keep saying, ooh. We've got a Bare Minerals. What are you? Oh, it's a blush. Get out. Everything get out of the packaging. This is called The Whisper. Oh, that's a really pretty colour. Oh, it's just like a really pretty peachy coral. I really like that. You can't see it on my paleness. Oh, nearly dropped it. No, it's a really pretty peachy colour. Very subtle. I like that. I'm a bit scared of blush, so anything that is subtle is good for me. Then we've got a Epsom Salts. This is the Glasgow Salt Company. Neroli and Candula Epsom Bath Salts with dried Candula petals. They look awesome. I need a bath today. So I will use these relax and soak for 20 minutes to get the full benefits. So that is going to be going some, because I generally have like 5-minute baths, but I will try it. I will try it for sure. I'm not going to open them yet. Oh, we've got a Palmer's Flip Balm, creamy coconut, natural cocoa butter. That's all. I'm going to open that because that looks super cool. Get out. Get out. We're in. Panic not. Oh, there's something I've just seen. Last thing in there. That's really cool. Look. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, I like that. That smells amazing. That's like an EOS. Oh, and it actually clips shut, so that's good. Oh, I love that. It's like a little lettuce or a cabbage. That's so cute. It's my little cabbage balm. And then the last thing, let me just double check. Yeah, the last thing is the, it's a Dior Mascara, which I am so very excited about. Do you want to get out of the packaging? Just Dior packaging. Oh! Oh! Oh, it's brow mascara. Oh, that looks awesome. This packaging is just gorgeous. Look at that. How pretty is that? Thank you so much. You need to go over to Sussex Sandra's channel and just give her some love. Tell her I sent you. Subscribe, because she's amazing. She's really, really lovely. So thank you so, so much. I'm so excited that I want to give away, and I can't wait to test all this stuff. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.